today. So that was wonderful.
No, only because of what I was thinking, ma'am. We need to do some more than what we are doing now, right? Yes, of course,
Yes.
as what the process you are following, that's really appreciable. I never saw such kind of the like role player things or character, like that. So it's very useful for me also. Not only I don't know about other feedback, but personally I spend many places some training or something, but there is no use. You know, sometime we need a thread, means thread. You don't need a rope, you don't need a nylon. You need a thread means thread, and that thread you connected all threads and all loose and properly. And that's the beauty of this group.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for being a part of this. That was so sweet of you. The thread analogy was really nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.